how to send Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can send Bitcoin on MoonPay, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To send Bitcoin using MoonPay, once you launch MoonPay, what you have to first make sure is to have the recipient's destination wallet address copied with you. So you need to make sure that you have the Bitcoin wallet address to whichever wallet you're trying to send to. After that, from the MoonPay app, go to the send option from your home screen. And from here, what you want to do is paste in that particular wallet address that you might have of your destination wallet, or if it is another MoonPay user, enter their moon tag. There you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer and choose and verify that the correct network or Bitcoin is particularly selected. Then after that, you will be able to confirm and send to finalize the transaction. This way you can send Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.